How to see transaction history in TrustWallet. If you want to see your transaction history in TrustWallet, first of all make sure to log in to your TrustWallet account. Then simply go to the Discover or the Browser tab from the bottom right of the screen. Then from here you will see different type of options. You can simply go ahead and then go to PancakeSwap over here. Then once you go to PancakeSwap, this is basically the kind of interface that you will see, right? Then from here what you actually have to do is you can simply tap on this little option and then simply look for the option called Reset Transactions over there. Now once you're on this page, if you haven't already connected your wallet, you will see the Connect Wallet option. But if you have already connected the wallet, you'll find this drop down arrow icon, where if you tap on the drop down arrow icon, then you'll be able to see your transaction history on TrustWallet. So this way you'll be able to see your transaction history on TrustWallet. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.